So the Muskingum River Parkway State Park is a series of hand-operated locks and dams. It was built in 1841. It's used primarily today by recreational boaters. We probably lock around 10,000 recreational boaters a year. But without the locks, you would not be able to transport the dams, and the locks safely allow you to navigate that 10-foot or 12-foot drop where the dam is.
In the fall of 2020, Parks observed a developing sinkhole alongside of the lock wall and a misalignment in the miter gates, which are the main lock gates. We helped with assessing the issue and noted that there was water flowing around the gates and out into the main part of the lock through the lock wall. We realized that we had to take quick action here to help stabilize the lock wall and stop that movement of water around the lock structure. It really came down to two phases. The first phase was working on a stabilization of the lock wall itself, where we actually had to build a work platform because we were so concerned about bringing equipment right next to the lock wall. So we constructed a work platform adjacent to the wall that didn't rely on the soil right next to the wall, and then had grout stabilization within the lock wall and around it, and help secure that foundation so that we could bring down the water level further and actually evaluate the damage within the outlet structure. And so the second phase is underway right now, and we'll be wrapping up this spring. The benefits to this project will be long-term stabilization of the lock structure. Once this project is complete, we'll be able to safely return the lock to operation and public use.